Learn how to draw a fashion croquis using simple, beginner-friendly guidelines and shapes. Then turn your croquis into a stamp brush in Procreate. The first step is to open Procreate, tap on the plus icon, and create a new canvas. Change the units to inches. Make this a 10 by 10 inch canvas. The key to making custom brushes in Procreate is making the initial canvas square. Also make sure it's 300 dpi. Rename the canvas to Custom Croquis, then tap Create. Turn on vertical symmetry. Go to Actions, Canvas, Drawing Guide, toggle on, Edit Drawing Guide. Select Symmetry, tap Options, choose Vertical, and tap Done. The drawing guide should be in the center of your canvas. You can turn Drawing Assist on and off by tapping on the layer and selecting Drawing Assist. The canvas setup is complete. Now we'll draw this croquis in 3 steps. If you've already sketched a croquis, feel free to skip to the custom brush instructions. This croquis is 9 heads tall from head to ankles, using the head as the unit of proportion. Feet are excluded since heel height changes proportions. Draw 9 identical heads separated by lines. Here's how. Draw one head on its own layer. Duplicate the layer and drag it down using the transform tool. Follow the blue alignment lines. Then repeat this step for all 9 heads. Make an extra copy of one of the heads and lock this layer for future reference. Pinch to merge the layers together. Tap the transform tool to resize these guidelines. You want to have it take up most of the page, but leave space at the bottom for the feet. Draw a line, but hold the pencil on the screen to make it straight. Then place a finger on the screen to make the line perfectly horizontal. Duplicate the layer and drag it down using the transform tool. Repeat for all the lines. When complete, pinch to merge the layers together. Next, label the heads 1 through 9 and draw a dashed line at roughly 1.5 and 4 1/4 heads. The next step is to label the anatomy. 1 head, 1.5 shoulder, 2 apex, 3 waist and elbows, 4 hip and wrists, 4 1/4 crotch, 5 mid-thigh, 6 knees, 7 calf, and 9 ankles. Remember that extra head we saved? Unlock it and position it exactly on the vertical symmetry line. Place 2 more heads underneath. This will be the shoulder measurement. Add another head at the waist and 2 more heads at the hip. With the vertical symmetry drawing guide on, draw a line connecting the shoulder, waist, and hips. Then draw a guideline for the arms and the hands. Draw a vertical line from the waist down, a cylinder for the neck, connect the neck to the shoulder, and lastly, draw small ovals for the knees and the ankles. The muscles give the figure shape. Instead of memorizing each and every muscle, we can simplify into basic shapes like circles and ovals. Draw ovals for the lower arm, shoulder, and bicep. Draw ovals for the thigh and calf, and triangles for the feet. This next step is really important. Create a new layer for final outlines. Lower the opacity on the guideline layers and lock them. This way you can hide your drafts later. Draw a smooth curve from the neck to the shoulder point. Add a cap for the shoulder and outline the rest of the arm using the ovals as reference. Next, we'll outline the rest of the body. I like to draw a line from the underarm to the waist and draw the outer hip and leg in one smooth motion. Then I'll draw the thigh, knee, calf, and finally the foot. Almost done. Draw lines for the neck, bust, princess seams, and underwear. Extend the princess seam down the center of the legs. Draw a line for the armhole, waist, and center of the body. Draw simple shapes for the hands. Lastly, draw ears and a slight point for the chin. Mark the eye level, center line, and a curve connecting the ears to chin. If you want to draw a more detailed face, I'll leave a link to a step-by-step guide. Turn off all the guideline layers to reveal your final croquis. Let's also add a shoulder line and guideline separating the neck. We're 90% finished. Next, make this an infinite stamp in Procreate. Step 1, copy the canvas. Go to Actions, Add, Copy Canvas. Step 2, create a new brush. Tap the brush icon, then tap the plus symbol to create a new brush. In the Brush Studio, go to Shape, Shape Source, Edit, or tap the preview icon. Tap Import and Paste. Invert the image by tapping 2 fingers to the screen. You should see white outlines and a black background. Tap Done. Step 3, adjust settings. Tap on Stroke Path and drag the slider to set the spacing to max. Tap on Apple Pencil. Drag the opacity slider to none. Tap on Properties. Toggle on Use Stamp Preview. Set the preview size to around 6. Set the maximum size all the way to the right. Set the minimum size to at least 1%. Go to About This Brush. You can name your brush, for example, Front Figure. You can also add your name and your signature. Tap Create New Reset Point to save your current settings. Then tap Done. Okay, the brush is now complete, and now we can test it. Create a new fresh layer and tap once to stamp the brush. You can use this slider to adjust the brush size. This brush is reusable. Duplicate it, swap the shape source, and build your own figure library. To sketch new croquis templates, see Anatomy of a Pose, a free mini course with an ebook, 5 clear figure construction rules, and step-by-step lessons to draw dynamic figures. For ready-made templates, use the Croquis kit. It includes interchangeable figures and details like heads, hands, feet, hair, and accessories. Import as Procreate brushes or print the PDF for hand sketching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fashion and digital sketching tutorials.